Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about distance, speed, and time calculations. First of all, I'm going to describe what it is, what this diagram in front of me is, and we're going to go through some examples later on. Okay. So what exactly is this? So you can, if you look at this, you've got distance, speed, time. So what it's saying is to find distance. So let's say d. All you need to do is times speed, s being speed, and t. Okay, and if you want to find speed, all you need to do is get distance and divide it by time. So s equals d over t. Okay, and if you want to find time, it would be distance divided by speed. Divided by speed. Okay, so basically these lines mean divide, and this means times. Okay, it's important to remember this because it's pretty much everywhere in your exams. So yeah, it's important to have this diagram memorized. So if you understand it, let's move on to the example. If not, I highly recommend just replaying that part and looking at the diagram and making sure you understand it. Okay, so I just made up these numbers just to show you how the equation works. So before we get to it, let's draw our diagram. So distance, speed, time. Okay, it's not a very good diagram, but we'll go with it. Okay, so we have got given the distance here, and we have the speed 5 and 25. So if we look at the diagram, in order to find time, we need to divide distance by the speed. Okay, so t equals d over s, and in this case it would be 25 over 5, and 25 divided by 5 is going to be 5. Okay, so t will be 5, and it's important if the question asks you in units, so if it said speed miles per hour, or it wants it in seconds, make sure you put seconds after the answer. Okay, so but we're doing basic just so that you guys understand the basics of distance, speed, and time diagram. Okay, now we have, so this is wanting us to find the distance. So if we look at the diagram and cover up this distance, we can see that we need to times speed by time in order to get the distance. Okay, so distance equals speed times time. Okay, that would be 2 times 4, giving us distance equals 8. Okay, now the last one is asking us to find the speed. So if you look at the diagram here, if we cover that up, it will be distance over time. So it will be s equals distance over time. Okay, which will be 4 divided by 2, giving us speed equals 2. So that is the basics of everything that you need to know. Okay, that's it from me today. These are the basics. So it is going to get harder, especially the exam questions. So yeah, if we make sure you have a good understanding of this diagram, and also another key thing is that if they use units, like I said before here, if they used units, make sure to use that units down below as well for your answer. Apart from that, if you have any questions, drop it down in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer it, and give this video a like if you liked it, and have a good day.